You say Marco. Marco. Hey. Marco. Marco. You don't like my hand there, huh? No. Ooh, yay. He doesn't want me to hold on to him. See, he says let go. I say let go, Marco, and then you say let go. Let go. I let go. Polo. Marco. Polo. Do you want me to let go? Let go.